Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to remap controls preset. In the beginning, let's go to settings and next go to controls, vibration and force feedback. Select preset 1 or preset 2 and select edit. Now you can adjust control scheme, menu controls and MFD shortcuts. Simply select function you'd like to adjust and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.